Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you guys how to do is how to fix your Just Eat application not working. This is quite an easy fix for pretty much all applications that don't want to launch. This is of course on the Android version. However, I think the same pretty much applies for the Apple one as well. But yeah, this is the fix you apply when it doesn't want to work. So let's get right into it. So first of all, what we want to do when our app doesn't want to launch, as you can see, I am currently in the app. My app can launch, but this is what you want to do if you want to actually enable your app to launch if your app doesn't want to. What you need to do is go to your settings on your phone. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that you're in your settings app or whatever, scroll down and find apps. And once you find apps, what you want to look for is of course the Just Eat application, which is of course under J. And once you're there, click on that, and you'll enter this screen. Now I'm using a Samsung A70. Uh, Whatever you use, the actual process will be quite similar. But what you want to do is go into storage, and what you want to do is click on clear data. This will clear both your data and your cache. It will pretty much factory reset your uh, application to what it was when you actually first downloaded it, and it should work. If it doesn't work, you can search for other options online. This is what I think will work most likely. And of course, you'll have to log in, re enter your data, and so on and so forth. But that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, learned something new, and I'll see you in another video.